Hi friends, it's Julia. I'm here with my November 2020 Counterfeit Kit Challenge layout number 3, and these are the supplies that I chose. And here's the layout. Okay, so I just went ahead and, excuse me, finished this one offline, or not recording. Anyway, so I took my photos, I cut them down. I showed you everything that I started with. Everything that I had added to my page kit. So here I've cut my photos down to 3x4, a little bit less so that they fit on the photo mats. I've cut my paper down, and that is that the Traveler's Notebook page, that's there. That's the corrugated cardboard piece that I cut it down and then I tore the edges off. And so I still have those, and I did not end up using any of this piece here. I was going to use it underneath here and just kind of tuck it where it would show along the edge of this side, but for whatever reason I did not. I think I stuck it over to the side and I forgot about it. So I took some of the embellishments from this ephemera pack. It says, "Oh Happy Day" and Brothers. Believe it or not, Brothers was in there. What ephemera pack puts Brothers? There's not a mom, there's not a dad, there's not a sister, there's Brothers. I just love that. So that tag, or both those pieces, got added from there. Then I added in some bits from this ephemera pack from an old Cheeky Studio. These floral pieces, this leaf and another floral piece here. I took some leaves off this page and put one here, and one here. And I took some shiny leaves from this other package and put one here, one here, one here. So you see, I have 3 clusters. Voila, there you go, you're welcome. I also, because I tried to use a rub-on right under here, I think I can lift this, and it turned out horrible. I don't know, maybe you can see it. It turned out horrible and all smeary. I just covered it up with this craft piece, and it works out fine. It's just one of these pieces from Close to My Heart. I had originally had a pocket page that I actually punched this out of with a stitched die, and I didn't end up using it. I was going to, but I didn't. I added 3 wooden buttons, and I went to my stash and pulled in some twine. I had this little roll of baker's twine. I want to say it was for Target. And that's, I only had a little piece wrapped around here from the original 10 yards. And so this is what I have left of it. And it's one of those pieces where the gold just comes completely apart. And so you quite literally have to take glue and roll it around on that one end so that you can thread it through your buttons. And it works okay. I added 3 enamel dots and then 3 sequins. And then I called it good. The title is He Said Yes. No, he wasn't asking the other guy to marry him. This is my younger son and my older son. My younger son asked my older son to be his best man. And that's what I just wrote here, is Jason asked his brother to be his best man. And I need to add the date. Let's do this. November 2018. I almost forgot to add that on. So there we go. And I left my Sharpie out because I figure with all these fall layouts that I will be using that. This is a whole lot easier than trying to voice over and yeah, do all the editing. Yeah, so the rest of these layouts may be done this way. And I did add some foam backing. I have those little foam sheets, and you can see I put some foam behind here, a little foam behind here, and then a foam behind this section because that corrugated paper is so thick. it really had to have something on this side to balance it. Now this side is just a little bit thicker than this side, but it's okay because you don't see that drop off, which is really what I wanted to avoid. Anywho, so there we go. I'll see if I can remember to take some photos, close-ups to put on to the end here. Anyway, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.